Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to make your computer like new again. Simply how to reset it to its default settings, just like when you first get your computer. So to do that, you want to right click on the Windows icon on your taskbar and go to settings. Inside the settings, you want to click on system on the left hand side. Scroll down guys to where you'll find the recovery options and click on that. And here you'll find reset this PC. So once you click on reset PC, guys, you'll have two options. You'll have the options to keep your file or to remove everything. Now, if you want to completely reset it, just like when you bought your computer, let's say you want to sell this PC or you want to give it away and you want to completely reset it, then you want to choose this option to remove everything. This option is going to bring it right back to its factory reset state, right? So choose this option. In case you just want to reset it, and keep some personal files. As you can see, it's going to remove all apps and settings, but it will keep your personal files. Then you can choose this option. So you choose this option here, guys, and you will see it's going to get ready. I would recommend that you choose the local reinstall. You don't want to choose the cloud one. The local one is faster, especially if you have this on your computer or you have it on a USB stick. You can quickly reinstall. So choose the local option right here. And here you will see that it says that you can change some settings here. If you click on that, you can choose this option as well. So go ahead and click and confirm. Once you're done here, go ahead and click on next. You will see here it says that it's getting ready. And what this is going to do is show you all the applications that it will go ahead and remove from your computer. So right here you can click and view all apps that will be removed, and you can see all the applications that you have on your computer that Windows will remove. Once you're done, you can click and back there, then click and reset and allow the process to start to reset your computer. And that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple.